For the savvy investors, we compute many different aspects of the market and what's happening in that listing. And one thing that I want to share with you that tells you what is the probability of the sell price is this right here. Days on market. You see that here? CDOM is cumulative days on market. How many days did it sit on the market before somebody said, I'm going to buy it? 5 days. You think they were offered less, or at price, or more? Does that make sense? So that tells. What's that?
Say that again.
Say that again.
Repeat that again.
Repeat it again. When you see low days on market and it goes pending, so basically a property got listed onto the market today, and 5 days later somebody said, I want to buy it.
Okay.
What is the likelihood of their offer? Is it below asking, at asking price, or above asking? Probably above asking.
Okay.
Because we're also in the hot market. Everybody's looking for a property that's move-in ready, remodeled, right? And so that gives you a better guess, as I would say. Okay? If it was like 50 days on the market, what's the probability of that offer?
Low. Then I get low.
That's making sense, huh? Okay, let's look at the rest of them.